Graph the function on graph paper. F of x equals log base 2 of x. Okay, so to graph a logarithm function, let's make a simple table, x and f of x. So for the inputs, we're going to use 1 over the base b, and then 1, and then b. So that's going to be 1/2, 1, and then 2. So let's evaluate here. For the first input, log base 2 of 1/2. That's f of 1/2. So that's saying 2 to what power makes 1/2? Well, that's -1. So f of 1/2 equals -1. Next input, f of 1, log base 2 of 1 equals, so that's 2 to what power makes 1 is 0. So 0 goes here. Then f of 2 is log base 2 of 2. So 2 to what power makes 2? Well, that's 1. So 1 is our output. Okay, so these are the 3 points we're going to use to graph the function. First, I'll pull out 1/2 -1. That's going to be right there. 1, 0. And then 2, 1. So that's really not a lot to go on, but since I know the general shape of a logarithmic function graph, I can finish it up. See, there's this asymptote right here, vertical asymptote at x equals 0. And that means the function, when I draw going to the left, it's going to go down and approach the y-axis. It's just going to gradually kind of curve up and to the right, like that. Okay, so that's how you graph a logarithmic function. Use the inputs of 1 over the base, 1, and then the base, and then you find those outputs, plot those 3 points, use the asymptote, and draw your curve.